Umoja.
Street beats.
Hello, madam.
Hello.
I have some nice things. Just your quality.
Sorry, not interested.
Oh, please. Just a sniff. Look, my stuff is original, but comes at half price.
Really?
Yes, just try.
Everything, boss.
Are you sure?
Everything.
Go quickly, but calmly.
Okay, boss.
Raise no eyebrows.
Okay, boss.
Move. What were you doing in there?
I was checking something.
Pick those. Hurry, pick them.
What was that?
Sorry, ma'am.
Do I look like your mother? Ma'am.
Did you pass by a guy carrying a backpack on the stairs?
What is wrong with your hair? Yes. So what?
Help me stop him. There's a robbery afoot.
Robbery!
Have you lost your mind?
Boss, I beg you. Quickly, I'll finish in no time.
What's wrong with you? I thought you were finishing.
later.
So, what do you do with him?
The police will know best. Let's get him over here. Let's take my way.
Ojuaye.
Be careful, nobody should. Please.
See, look at your face. See.
Look with Benham.
Oh, hey!
What a tiding.
Nobody will touch him. None of you. Only the police will decide his fate. Do you understand? Don't touch him, I mean it.
Hold on, better. Make you run. Hey. I don't tell you, say the boss my things last.
Relax.
You know it.
Oh, boss.
Bring him here.
Look, Benham.
That is an office seller, man. It be China.
You get mouth talk. I will slap you, eh? Fine boy, so you be a robber. Ask Sam, give me boss. Ask Sam. You got him.
Relax. Step back.
I see you got the other one.
Thanks to James and his crew, one got away though.
Oh. What's with the ambulance?
It's a medical condition in round one.
Ewurama!
Everybody relax! Look who burn now!
Guys, relax. The police are just around the corner, okay?
Lucky.
Guys, show your face, make a cut.
Good time, give me.
Okay, everybody relax.
Guys, which kind of matter we are here now?
Ewurama.
What happened? I hope they didn't touch her.
I hope so too. Hey, I was the first in there when the guys broke down the door. I thought she was even dead.
God.
Yes, she was naked from the waist down.
Ouch! You know, seriously, we need to be very careful. We need to get some bodyguards around here.
I don't even want to think about it.
My God!
Bodyguards.
You boys have shown remarkable awareness and courage. You saved the day.
What about the one who absconded?
We are working on a lead at the moment.
What about the possibility of rape? Did they touch her?
The lab is running some tests as we speak. We will let you know when the results are in.
Great. We should be on our way then. Please, do keep us posted.
Perfect. We will.
Yes, I had gone outside for some fresh air. Initially, I thought he was a salesman. I mean, he knocked on a few doors and made his way up. And they come through all the time. However, the speed with which he entered the room and shut the door alerted me. The ladies do not allow the guys to enter so quick. So when the other two appeared and entered quickly, I knew something was going down.
What impresses me is the quality of the pictures you took under duress. You must come work for us. After school, of course.
Oh, hey.
Well, guys, good job done. Great job.
Thank you. Boy, am I glad you happened to be at the right place at the right time. I just hope to God the lady's all right.
Like if I make a hit,
It's a bad man thing there. Jump Mr. J, baby.
From the manner and skill that you move that thing, go and get me spill. Girl, keep it non-stop till a man get killed. Cause you know, see me can't do without that drill. Put me pan bill again and again. Give me that.
Ladies, that's good news. She's conscious now. Is she okay? Did you see her? Not yet. She's still weak and groggy.
But is she fine though? I mean, like, did they touch her?
The doctors are saying we can't be 100% certain until all the tests come in. For now, the good news is there's no physical sign of penetration.
Haven't they asked her?
You know, she went comatose, so she wouldn't remember much. Don't worry, she will be fine. They're taking very good care of her.
Original remix reaching out to the girl, them and reaching out to the man, them, that one your love story. Yeah, that one you know. A million girls want to give my heart to you. The struggles to face.
Hey girl. What are you doing?
She's listening to my new song.
Oh, let me listen.
She said she
Them
composed.
say them see you and another man in our bands. And if I still trust you, I
Hey, girls. Do you know men are powerful? Imagine if those guys were not around. What would have happened?
Hey, Ewurama. I heard a child also gave a very good account of herself. I even hear she's the one who even caught the first thief.
Really?
Yes.
That girl is something else. Yes. She be man and be
Typical Ewurama. Promote a man and lower his sister. Ewurama, things don't change. Sure you know.
What I do?
Praise her, babe. She did well.
Wait I talk. Wait
She did
I say he do well. Just that they ask he be man or he be. Hey! Wow! You guys were amazing! Wow! You know what, girls? Let's buy them a drink, okay? Oh, you guys were amazing. Oh, nice. Oh, please come with me. Let me buy you a drink, okay? Come.
What up?
Hi, well done.
Thanks.
Mr. Modesty, I heard you guys were like commandos.
Oh yeah, my love for you, my baby, will never end. Our love will never end. Go shame, 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 shame.
Is she back to the hostel? Oh yeah, and no, not yet. She come today.
Really?
Great.
Thank God, finally.
I'll go find Ewurama.
Okay.
I love it.
Ah, there you are. You have been married.
Eh? Meaning what?
Your roommate is grabbed and you have been married.
My roommate has grabbed what?
Oh yeah, live and colored. His name is James. Live and colored. Some dude called James. Some nice dude like that.
What? My James?
Hey. What though? Does it mean the two of you share? Sayo, Banayo. Where, Machu? Shashi power. She go fight.
So usually before you start any exercise, you need to check your height, your skin, your weight, and then of course your age. The calculation gives you the BMI. Okay, so that's sorry. It's the police. Hello. Splendid. Okay, thanks for calling. Yes, we are expecting her today. Okay. Thanks. All the best. Bye. They got the third robber. the mastermind.
Wow, that's good news.
Oh, finally. Woo.
What did happen here?
They called the third robber Ewurama.
So?
The detective just called Jamie.
Jimmy Abi?
Yeah.
Hello, Ewurama.
Okay, we shall see.
See, I don't understand. He got up and left.
What did you say the guy's name is again?
He calls himself James Brown.
Ah, no wonder. Ewurama has a thing for him too.
Does Oluchi know?
I don't think so. She should though.
And she's still making her moves on him. I am sure she's not afraid for her life.
It's not like that. The guy is into Oluchi. He doesn't even see Ewurama.
We've been there, done that, legendary, wear down. Real name, my boy never sell out. Shake my hand, we can hang out. We've been around the world, yeah, Jinchi happy. Of course, I was applause. Imaya di Omejani. Reggie, who can you ride the first album Drew Hall? Almost shaking, so almost see Jack Muffrey Hall, they be. Gana Hana, ya walk, Nimayana, ya free, and you Miana, ya chua, okay. Who can you ride your cow canny jeans? Namunam Dazi, Namusha, some funny things. Tanada romantic, Shana Mushebi. Some days you take Wayolantiga to Anamu to be. Shout out to all the baller goods.
House of Umoja.